Hello, I'm Ernie Carswell of Douglas Elliman Real Estate in Beverly Hills. You're meeting me here in Hollywood, in the specific area known as Los Feliz, which was an early, desirable neighborhood of Los Angeles when the Hollywood studios were just being built. Instead of talking outside, follow me into this gorgeous structure and let's see what it reveals. Stepping inside, I'm able to point out the beautiful 1928 Spanish Mission architecture in its full glory in the interior. The room to my right is this delightful office, gorgeous arched window with stained glass panels in the center. But it actually serves as the 6-bedroom suite if the need is there. What I'm excited about showing you is the drama of the main room. It's a ballroom-sized living room. Our owner fell in love with this home. She's a world-renowned fashion designer and wanted to bring recreated art into this home and restore it to its glory from the 1920s. This room features angled ceilings with very thick wood timber, a huge fireplace. One of its features that she left is this window that is inspired by the artist Gustav Klimt and his Tree of Life painting. It oversees this room, granting it a lot of light, but the surprise is it's not only a window, but a door. And now we can proceed to the primary suite on this level, just a few rooms away. Entering the downstairs primary suite, it's got all the luxuries one would want, with a fireplace, a king-size bed overlooking the gorgeous swimming pool outside. Through this door is the primary bath suite, which for the 1920s was quite large. It features a huge double shower with a stained glass window inside, a large walk-in closet, something else we didn't see in the 1920s typically, mosaics on the bathtub, and dual sinks. Let's head upstairs where the living quarters are, and there's more to see. I haven't yet mentioned the 14-inch thick walls that exist in many rooms of this house, giving it a great solid stance and thick insulation. We've now arrived in what is a secondary primary suite. This would be used today to accommodate guests. It's the size of the other primary suite and enjoys a beautiful bathroom with aquamarine tile. And just down the hall are 2 more large bedroom suites, each opening to a large terrace. And from that terrace, they overlook the beautiful swimming pool and entertaining area outside. I think we should go there next. Coming into this private backyard, we have a gorgeous L-shaped pool, the color of aquamarine. Next to it is this grilling bar area with a sink, perfect for entertaining outdoor evenings. There's also a seated dining table beyond for more formal setups. But one of the fun outdoor areas at a home like this in California is the semi-covered cabana setting near the pool. You use it day or night, but at night it's a lot of fun because it's warmed by a fire pit and people congregate to talk about the latest Hollywood releases or who won the awards. Thank you for joining me for this slice of Hollywood history and a beautiful place to reside near the Hollywood Hills in Los Feliz of Los Angeles, California. And if you'll excuse me, I have a client to go meet now for my next appointment. I hope to see you soon.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.